Hello guys, welcome back to Scholar Opportunity Analysis. In today's session, we'll be tackling some challenging set questions, and whether you are just preparing for an exam, the WASI, or you are just sharpening your math skills, this video will help you to master this topic. So with that being said, let's dive in. So this is our first question. We are to solve this equation, leaving the answer in set form. So I'll start first by writing the equation down. So we'll have uh, square root of what? 2x, and this is equal to 1 plus square root of 2 all over 2 plus square root of 2. So with this, the first thing I'll probably do, is tackle this part first. I'll rationalize this part. So let me rationalize that part. So rationalizing the left hand side. So 1 plus square root of 2 all over 2 plus square root of 2. So to rationalize, we'll find the conjugate of what? The denominator is to multiply the denominator, the numerator and the denominator. So the conjugate of what? The denominator will be what? 2 minus what? Root 2. So we'll now multiply this with what? 2 minus what? Root 2 all over 2 minus what? Root 2. And this should give us 1 plus square root of 2 multiplying 2 minus square root of 2 all over 2 plus square root of 2 minus what? Square root of 2. And then this will give you what? So we are multiplying that, so we use the 1 to multiply everything in this bracket, use root 2 to multiply everything in this bracket. So this should give us 2 minus square root of 2, then plus 2 root 2, then minus what? Root 2 squared all over. We'll do the same thing for what? The denominator, multiply everything. We have what? 4 minus 2 square root of 2 plus 2 square root of 2 minus square root of 2 all squared. Then this should give you what? This should give you 2 plus square root of 2 minus what? 2 all over 4 minus what? If you cancel this, the square root will cancel that, so you get to 2. And this should finally give you what? Square root of 2 over 2. So when you simplify the left hand side, that's what you get. So we now have that's what? Square root of 2x all over 3 plus square root of what? 2x will now be equal to square root of what? 2 over 2. Now after simplifying this part, so what's the next step? So we can decide to solve everything like this, but then it will become complex. So the best thing to do is, like you see, this one is common and this one is common here, so we let it be something like some a or something. I like a because my name is Alex, so yeah, we'll use a. So let a to be equal to what? Square root of what? 2x. So the expression at the top will now be equal to a over 3 plus a to be equal to square root of 2 over 2. See how simple it is now. Now we can find a. So to find a, we'll just multiply, we'll just cross multiply and then find a. So we call this time this will give us what? 2a. Then this time this will give us square root of 2 into bracket 3 plus what? A. So 2a will now be equal to 3 square root of 2 plus a square root of what? 2. So 2a minus square root of this, we'll send this one to that side, will be equal to 3 square root of what? 2. So from here we see that a is common, so we'll factorize a out. So a into bracket 2 minus square root of 2 will give us 3 square root of 2. So our a will now be equal to 3 square root of 2 all over what? 2 minus square root of what? 2. So this is a, but then you see that a is not simplified. So to simplify a, we need to rationalize the denominator here. So that's what we're going to do. So let's rationalize the denominator. So the conjugate for this case will now be what? 2 plus what? Root 2. So this 2 minus root 2 times what? 2 plus what? Root 2 all over 2 plus what? Root 2. And then this will give us what? We just multiply straightforward. So 6 root 2 then plus what? 6 all over. This will give us 4 minus 2. So when you solve this, will give this part will give you 2. And then when you divide, you get what? 3 square root of 2 plus 3. So this is a. So a is equal to 3 square root of 2 plus 3. But that's not what we are looking for. We are looking for what? X. That's what they ask us to like solve for. So we are solving for what? X. And we let along the line, we let what? Here we let a to be equal to 2x. So we are not going to find x from there. So but we know that a is equal to what? 2x. So we can equate these two. So square root of 2x is equal to 3 square root of 2 plus 3. From here, the best thing we can do is to what? Square both sides to get rid of what? The square root that's covering the x. So square both sides. Then this will give us what? 2x to be equal to what? When you square this, it will give us 9 into 2 plus 9 plus what? 3 times 3, 9 times what? 2. That will give us what? 18 square root of 2. And then so 2x will be equal to what? 27 plus 18 square root of 2. So our x will be equal to what? 27 plus 18 square root of 2 all over what? 2. So this is your final answer, and this is what? X. If you don't understand this, you can just let me know in the comment section, and then I'll create another video, maybe talking about a specific part that you don't understand. So with that, let's move to the next question.